Hey Bennington boat lovers, it's Josh over here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I have a brand new Bennington to show you. It's a 2027 22 SSB. This boat is part of Bennington's S1 package that has all the essentials you need to get out on the water. It's in the midnight blue with a blackout luxe package. So we have the black anodized aluminum railing as well as the black rub rail. It is a tri-tune package. So we've got the SPS Performance package underneath it as well. Let's walk around to the back of the boat and I can show you some more features. Hey guys, we're back here at the stern of the 22 SSB. As you can see, we have our nice swing back here. We have a ski tow bar and a Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard engine and the stainless steel Reliance prop. Over here on the starboard side, this boat is equipped with the lily pad ladder, so it's spring assisted and super easy to retrieve and deploy. Also has really nice wide steps, and it is in that black finish to match the blackout luxe package that this boat has. Let's hop aboard and I can show you some more. Welcome aboard the 22 SSB. Up here in the bow, we have a table center line and we have forward chase lounges on both the starboard and the port side. Underneath these chase lounges, we have our roto-molded seat bases that have water channeling gutters to channel water overboard if you do get wet when you're out there on the water. We've also got a lot of storage up underneath these backrests. And we've got our Rockford Fosgate audio up front here. Moving back to the helm, we have our analog gauges up top here, a tilt steering wheel, Rockford Fosgate audio, Garmin EchoMap chart plotter, and our rocker switches for all of our accessories and lights. We do have a wireless phone charger tucked away in the bottom of this helm, as well as a lockable glove compartment down below. Moving over to our port side, we have a matching co-captain's chair. This boat's interior is in the Leon light silver with the graphite Simtex accents. Moving back, you can see we have a really spacious sun pad. This is the Swingback, so this backrest can face forward, or if you'd like to lounge rear facing, it's really easy to do so. There's a lot of storage underneath this sun pad as well. This boat's equipped with a 10-foot manual Bimini top, so it gives you lots of shade. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.